Good morning, everybody! Welcome back to Altcoin Daily. Good morning. Unless, of course, you're watching this as soon as I posted it, then good evening. But I assume most of you will watch it tomorrow morning. So, welcome back to Altcoin Daily. Real quick, if you're new to the channel, just to let you know what we do, we're bringing you daily news on everything altcoin and cryptocurrency, daily market strategies, and regular deep dives on the latest ICOs and most current altcoins. So what you're going to want to do is subscribe to stay current, because my mission for you is to bring you the most relevant news and most relevant information to get you guys involved in the cryptocurrency sphere. That being said, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not an expert. These are just my opinions. They're things that work for me. Take it or leave it. So let's get into the news. Cryptocurrency markets move back into the green after a substantial sell-off. The markets are rebounding today following yesterday's multi-month low in Bitcoin's price. Most of the top 50 coins are in the green, with 24-hour gains over 20%. That's a good thing. Couldn't have gone down forever. This is the fact that it did go down was in part due to the misleading reporting on regulations in India. The overall cryptocurrency market took a massive nosedive starting the beginning of the month, shredding more than $100 billion in market cap in 24 hours following the news. But, as this article says, it has gone up in the last 24 hours. Let's take a quick look at the market. So, Bitcoin right now, at the time that I'm recording this video, is priced at $8,800 about. Still pretty low. You can see in the past hour, we're in a bit of a downtrend, a bit of red. Past 24 hours, a lot of green, still some red. Past 7 days, all red. So although it's gone up in the past 24 hours, we're still, downtrending. Hopefully what this means is we see a little bit of stabilization, and it stops going down. And after the stabilization, that will just mean that, in my opinion, we're due for a bull run. Things are going to get back to normal, the FUD's going to go away, and people are going to get involved more and more. So next, CNBC's Rand Neuner says Bitcoin will end 2018 at $50,000. Finally, this is not FUD. This is good. Rand Neuner, the host of CNBC's show Crypto Trader, the 28th most influential blockchain insider, according to Richtopia. Wonder how they figured that out. Made a tweet on February 1st claiming that Bitcoin will end 2018 at the price of $50,000. That's great. Me personally, I don't turn to CNBC for my crypto news because, they're the corporate media, the mainstream media. They have an agenda. Everybody has an agenda. Even the guys on YouTube have an agenda. They're going to shill their stuff. YouTubers are going to shill their stuff. But anyways, the CNBC channel has been increasingly involved in cryptocurrencies, reporting over the past few months. On January 8th, the cable network aired a step-by-step tutorial on how to buy Ripple. See, there you go. Ripple is controlled by the banks control the mainstream media, and the mainstream media did a step-by-step tutorial on how to buy Ripple using the Polonia exchange on a platform for the purchase. Host Brian Kelly demonstrated the entire process live on the channel. So, Ripple's it's okay. It's a good coin. It has some good qualities. It's gonna be here to stay. But it doesn't surprise me that the mainstream media is shilling it. Overall, though, back to the article, this is a good point. The fact that Rand Neuner says that Bitcoin's gonna hit 50,000, because this is going to, this is a small step on making it so people don't have so much fear over cryptocurrency. Next, many token crowd sales no longer that open to the crowds. Interesting. The ICO, initial coin offering, was hailed as the new IPO, initial public offering, offering a more egalitarian way of raising funds. The fact that crowd sales bring in millions of extra dollars and create an active community from day one doesn't hurt either. In 2017, the initial coin offering was the fundraising model that had venture capitalists looking on enviously. 2018 began in the same vein, with the public piling into ICOs with gusto. On paper, January's results looked highly impressive, with millions of dollars raised in record time. But the process has now changed. In many cases, the public sale feels more like an afterthought than the main event, as ICOs revert back to IPOs in all but name. It's a little confusing. This is the point of the article. that the reason ICOs were good, they're unregulated. So the average Joe can easily get in on an ICO. That's, even though they're still unregulated, that's kind of changing, because while the average Joe, they give their money, get back coins, and that's all well and good. What the blockchain companies, the cryptocurrency companies, what they're looking for sometimes is more than just money. They're looking for partnerships and advisement. And while they could have 100 regular Joes like you and me putting their money, or they can have one bigwig, one fat cat, sometimes they're going to take the fat cat because that fat cat's going to bring with him connections and partnerships. So the days of ICOs might soon be disappearing. If you can find a good one and you're not investing more than you can afford to lose, it's a good idea to get involved. Next, this next news, this is really exciting to me. Me personally, I'm in the film world. And let's read about it. CinemaWell.com, win-win platform for viewers and filmmakers. So CinemaWell.com, pronounced like Cinema Welkom, nice, is a revolutionary social platform of online cinemas which use internet video co-viewing and pays for watching movies. CinemaWell.com was launched in 2014 as an internet video co-viewing platform targeted at filmmakers chasing their big break in the digital world. The company has prepared version 2.0, which leverages blockchain technology to shape a new vision aiming at rewarding both filmmakers and viewers. CinemaWell.com 2.0 is on the verge of creating a decentralized social platform of online cinemas. I think this is a great idea for the movie space. The goal with this is to bring filmmakers and avid viewers from around the globe in one place. Through its model, the company allows an unlimited number of users to watch the same movie at the same time from one virtual theater. As opposed to a conventional video content platform like Vimeo or YouTube, CinemaWell.com will enable filmmakers to make a profit, get recognized by selling tickets to their premiere, set their own prices and dates, gain access to analytics, and access in-depth viewer feedback and viewing audience. CinemaWell.com's social video co-viewing concept was launched 4 years ago when posting long movie-like videos on social channels like Facebook and allowing people to interact was not yet made possible. Allegedly, Facebook wanted to buy CinemaWell back in 2014 for $95 million, a Crunchbase report highlighted at the time. Anyways, the sale for this blockchain technology is live now and will last until February 28th. So you can check that out if you're interested. Overall, I think this is a great idea for movies. Lately, from what I can see, Americans and people in general seeing movies has kind of like gone down, partly because ticket prices are so high. MoviePass is doing a great job fixing that, but also something like this. I think the fact that it seems to me what they're trying to do is use blockchain technology so everybody kind of has a piece of the same movie on their blockchain ledger, and then they'll use that so everybody can watch it. Anyways, look into that. Next, Vitalik donates $2.4 million in Ether to anti-aging research. This is just, good news. Vitalik doing some charity. The SENS Research Foundation, a charity funding research for treating age-related diseases, has received a $2.4 million Ether donation from Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin. So this guy is the guy who, started Ethereum. Obviously the second biggest market capped cryptocurrency, huge, and he donated $2.4 million worth of Ether to this charity, which is only going to grow in value. That's the story. I think it's great. His quote is, "I'm happy to have been blessed with the opportunity to personally support Sense's efforts. They're focused on creating solutions to the disease of aging. One of the greatest problems facing humanity is very much in line with my goal to positively impact the lives of millions of people around the world." So I totally agree with that. Nobody wants to age. Vitalik is donating in hopes that he doesn't age. Anyway, thank you guys. That is the news for February 4th. Once again, we are Altcoin Daily. Follow us for daily news, daily market strategies, and regular deep dives on the latest ICOs. Comment your thoughts on the news, and just like the channel. Thanks, guys.